I am from Gaugrass, Math Sub. I shall explain question number 20 that has been taken from exercise 6.5, chapter 6, Maxima and Minima of NCERT 12 Mathematics. The question is, so that the closed right circular cylinder of given surface and maximum volume is such that its height is equal to the diameter of the base. Now come out to solution here. Solution implied that this is a word problem question. I shall mark the key point with a pinpoint pencil in the question paper itself. Now closed right circular cylinder of given surface and maximum volume such that its height means height of the cylinder is equal to the diameter of the base. First of all, I shall make a diagram based on the statement given in the question. Closed right circular cylinder. This is cylinder. Closed right circular cylinder means one cylinder is there whose both circular surface are closed. This is circular surface are closed here. From this point to this point, height of cylinder will be h. I have left this in, and radius of circular surface is small r. So here I shall write, let the radius of the closed right circular cylinder be r. Let the radius of the closed right circular cylinder is r unit, and the height of the cylinder be h unit. Let the radius of the closed right circular cylinder be r unit and height of the cylinder be h unit. Then given surface, then let the given surface B capital S. Here I shall write implied that capital S equal to capital S means surface, total surface area of the cylinder, total surface area of the cylinder. So this is total surface area of the cylinder. So here let the area of the given surface, let the area of the given surface be capital S. Capital S is the area, total surface area of the given cylinder. Means capital S area is given as capital S. Area is given capital S. So let the area of the given cylinder, area of given surface area, let the surface area, let the total surface area, total surface area of cylinder be capital S. Let the total surface area of cylinder be capital S. The total surface area of the cylinder. So here you can see total surface area. This means that this portion, you can see this portion is in the circular form. This portion is also in the circular form. So first of all, find the area of this portion. This area is in the circular form. So I shall find the area of the circle. The area of the circle will be pi r square. This portion is over. This portion is over. Now come out to this portion. Both this portion and this portion is closed. Here it is little closed. The area of this portion will also be pi r square plus, and this area you can see, this area will be added here. Formula is there, 2 pi r h. This is the formula. So here you will get implied that total surface area of the cylinder capital S equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. This is the formula you must remember. Capital S equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. This thing you have got. Now here capital S is fixed. Capital S is fixed. Capital S is fixed. So here with the help of this equation I shall find out the value of h. So here I shall write 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square equal to capital S. Now what shall I do here? Find the value of h. Find the value of h. The value of h I shall find out, implied that 2 pi r h equal to capital S minus, here plus 2 pi r square. Here 2 pi r square is there in left hand side, that will be moved back to right hand side. It will become 2 pi r square. Capital S minus 2 pi r square we have got. So here again I shall write H equal to S minus 2 pi r square whole over 2 pi r. This thing you have got. Now what we said, maximum value. So here I shall write, now the volume of the closed circular cylinder implied that capital V equal to, this is the formula, pi r square h. This is the formula. Formula meant for volume of the closed circular cylinder, pi r square h. So what will do? Put the value of h here. So here again I shall write, implied that capital V equal to pi r square, value of h I shall put from this place. So here I shall write s minus 2 pi r square whole over 2 pi r. This thing you have got. S minus 2 pi r square over 2 pi r. So here again I shall write, implied that capital V is equal to, now here you can see this pi will be cancelled out, and this r will be also cancelled out. So here you will get here I shall write, separate the things here. So here you will get S r square over 2r. This thing value. S will multiply to r square. You will get here S r square over 2r minus two pi r raised to the power 4 over 2r. This r square will multiply to this term. You will get here r raised to the power 4. Here you will get 2 pi minus, here you will get 2r, the 2r. So here you will get, implied that V equal to SR by 2. You will get here SR by 2 minus, here this 2 will be cancelled out. Now calculation wrong I have done here. This pi has been cancelled out. You will get capital V equal to this r will also be cancelled out. Here you will get single r. So here I shall write capital S r over 2 minus here this two will be cancelled out. So here you will get pi r q over 1. This thing we have got. Just come again tally, pi has been cancelled out. This r has been cancelled out, get here r. So SR over 2 minus, and SR over 2 minus, here 2 will be cancelled out, so we will get here minus pi r cube. This is okay. Now you can see here r is variable and v is a function. So what I shall do here, I shall find dv over dr. So here I shall write for maxima r minima, put dv over dr equal to 0. So implied that SR over 2 minus pi r cube equal to 0. This thing we have got. SR dv over dr we have to find out. So this is not correct. What we shall do here, I shall write dwrt r, means differentiating v with respect to r. So here we shall get implied that dv over dr equal to s by 2 d over dr r minus pi dot d over dr r cube, implied that dv over dr equal to s by 2 d over dr, d over dr of r comes out to be 1 minus pi I shall write d over dr of r cube comes out to be 3 r square. This thing we have got. Here again I shall write for maxima r minima, put dv over dr equal to 0, implied that s by 2 minus pi 3 r square equal to 0, implied that three pi r square equal to s by 2. Just 1 minute, I shall check the processing whether this is wrong or right. Question number, this question is number is 20. Question number 20 we have got s by 2 minus 3 r square minus 3 pi r square. So here r cube is equal to capital S is equal to capital S over 6 pi. R square is equal to capital S over 6 pi we have to get. So here I shall write implied that R square equal to capital S and this 3 pi will multiply to 2. We will get here 3 to just 6 pi. So here I shall write 6 pi. 6 pi I have written. R square equal to S over 6 pi. Now what you have to do here? Next processing I shall find out second order derivative of this function. Let us see second order derivative. So here I shall write implied that d square v over dr square. This thing you have to find. D square v over dr square. Here dv over dr. First order derivative of v. Then second order derivative of v will be d square v over dr square. So here I shall write d over dr of s by 2 minus 3 pi d over dr of r square. This thing we will get. What we will get here? D square v over dr square. D over dr of s by 2 comes out to be 0 minus and 3 pi I say right minus 3 pi d over dr of r square comes out to be 2r. So here equal to minus 6 pi r. This value I have got. So d square v over dr square equal to minus 6 pi r we have got. So here again I shall write implied that d square v over dr square equal to minus 6 pi r less than 0. Minus 6 pi r, this value minus 6 pi r is less than 0. Therefore capital V is less than 0, maximum. When r square equal to s over 6 pi. R square equal to capital S over 6 pi. This value, capital V will be maximum. So what to do next? Next we have to find out what? Its height is equal to the diameter of the base. This thing we have to prove. This value we have to prove. Maximum volume I have shown. Maximum volume is maximum. Then height is equal to the diameter of the base. So find out the height formula of height is available. So what to do here? Here again I shall write implied that capital S equal to 6 pi r square. Here capital S is equal to 6 pi r square you have got. So put the value of S is equal to 6 pi r here. Find out the value of height h. So here again I shall now h is equal to capital S minus 2 pi r square whole over 2 pi r implies that H is equal to, put the value of capital S. The capital S value you have got 6 pi r square. So here write 6 pi r square minus 2 pi r square whole over 2 pi r. So again I shall write H is equal to 6 pi r square minus 2 pi r square. You will get here 4 pi r square over 2 pi r, implied that just pi will be cancelled out. 4 divided by 2, you will get here only 2. So H is equal to 2. Pi will be cancelled out. R square over R comes out to be only R. So here you have got, hence H is equal to 2R. Here you have got H is equal to 2R. So here you can see its height. Its height means height of the cylinder, H, equal to diameter of the base. So 2R, R is radius. So twice of radius comes out to be diameter. The radius multiplied to 2, it will become diameter. The height is equal to diameter of the base. So this statement we have got implied that H is equal to 2R. H equal to 2R. This statement I have written here. You can write here very well. Quote ire demand tandem iti siddham. So I have shown through this process that volume of the closed right cylinder is maximum, and also height of the closed right cylinder is equal to diameter of the base of the cylinder. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 20 that has been taken from exercise 6.5 chapter 6 maxima and minima of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay, thanks.